and welcome to my channel English with Asmita. If you're new to my channel, go subscribe my channel for more tips on IELTS. This video is about vocabulary that you can use for your IELTS exam and score a band 8. So let's get started. The first word is stolid. Stolid. Stolid means calm, dependable, or a person who will not react. So example for that would be, she remained stolid during the trial, or she remained stolid during her exam. Stolid. Second word is paramount. Paramount. Paramount means something that is extremely important or supreme. Something extremely important or supreme. Example would be, helping you achieve your desired score for IELTS is paramount to me. Paramount. Third word is jubilant. Jubilant. Jubilant is a feeling of being extremely happy. Extremely happy. Jubilant. So example for that would be, a large number of jubilant fans ran to the pitch. A large number of jubilant fans ran to the pitch. Fourth word is nostalgic. Nostalgic. Nostalgic means a feeling that is evoked by talking about past. Nostalgic. Example, he remained nostalgic about the good old days. So, he remained nostalgic about good old days. Fifth word is eminent. Eminent. A famous person. A person who is well known. So you would say that he is an eminent person, or he is an eminent scientist, or he is an eminent actor or singer. So these are 5 words that you can use for your IELTS exam and score a very high band. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Have a good day and we will see you later.